friends, it's Bucksnort. I'm out here hunting again, and this is my second day, and I haven't seen anything that I want to shoot. I'm kind of after this one 8-point. We call him the Slant 8, and I'd kind of like to take him out, but man, he is totally nocturnal. I've only seen him 2 times during the daytime, and that was back in October, opening weekend, and that was it. I got him on game cam from midnight on to 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So he's a tough one to get, but I'm after him. We'll see what happens. It's real foggy this morning, and that kind of limited things, and it's warm. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Hello folks, I didn't get anything this evening. I tell you what, all I'm seeing is some little bucks, and well, I saw one older 10 this morning, but he was smart enough not to come into my corn. But I tell you what, there's a reason that we're not getting anything this weekend, and I just got to show y'all this. It's probably gonna kill us again for tomorrow's hunt, but oh well. Sure beats sitting around watching TV. Y'all check this out. Right there, folks. That is the reason these deer are not moving during the daytime. That moon is coming up and staying up all night long. For the weekend. I didn't get anything, but I sure enjoyed the hunt. I just got a text message from my old buddy Jeremy, and he said, hey, I need some help. I got a big old pig, so let's go check him out. All right, Jeremy, what you got, man?
Man, did a little bow hunting this morning, sitting on my tripod over there, about 30 yards. Had a big old boar come out this morning, standing right here, 31 yards. Made an excellent shot on him.
Cool.
Excellent shot.
Let's go get him.
There's some blood.
Oh yeah.
Actually a lot of blood.
It is a lot of blood.
Yeah. Spewing.
Oh man, that is a good one. Big old boar. Is it a boar?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I don't go far with them ranges.
Man, that is a big one.
2-inch cut.
Oh wow.
There's the entrance.
Big old nasty.
There's the exit. He got some cutters on him.
Yeah, he does.
Some cutters. He ain't real big.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Thank you.